Welcome to the overview of chart panels and objects. We will be covering the following topics: chart panels, chart tabs, drag and drop functionality, and understanding Z-order. Chart canvases are made up of one or more chart panels containing price bars and indicators configured on the chart. More than one object can be configured in a single panel, and drawing objects can be applied to any existing panel. For example, it is possible to configure multiple data series, multiple indicators, and multiple drawing objects in a single panel. Or the individual data series and indicators could be drawn in their own separate panels. When configuring a new data series on a chart, a new panel will be used by default. When configuring a new indicator on a chart, a new panel may be used, or the indicator may be placed in the same panel as the input series, depending on the specific indicator. And this can be changed via the panel property in the data series or indicators windows accessible from the chart toolbar. NinjaTrader charts feature a tabbed interface, allowing you to combine multiple charts into a single window without cluttering any individual chart display. Tabs can be viewed, created, or rearranged within the bottom margin of any chart window. Right-click in any tab to access tab options. From the right-click menu, you can close or rename a tab, or close all other tabs in the window. You can also duplicate an existing tab into a new tab or into an entirely new window from here. This allows you to use the current settings of your chart as a starting point when opening a new chart, which may only need slight modifications, rather than opening the new chart from scratch. Lastly, you can move a tab into a new window while removing it from its current window from the same menu. Chart objects such as bars, indicators, and drawing objects can be dragged and dropped from one panel to another, unless a custom NinjaScript object configured on the chart has disabled this functionality. To drag and drop an object from one panel to another, first click the object to select it. You will know that it is selected by the highlighted anchor points along the object. Next, click and drag the selected object to the desired location. Dragging the object into the center of a panel will simply drop it into that panel. Dragging the object to the top or bottom margins of the chart canvas will cause a blue line to display on the chart, indicating that when the object is dropped, a new chart panel will be created for the object at that location. Dragging the object to the right or left edge of the chart canvas within a panel will drop the object into that panel and set its scale justification to right if dropped at the right edge or left if dropped to the left edge. In addition to dragging and dropping, chart objects can also be copied and pasted from one chart window to another, or from one tab to another within the same chart. To copy an object, first click the object to select it, then either press Ctrl+C on your keyboard or right-click the selected object, then click Copy. To paste a copied object, first select the chart or tab into which you wish to paste it, then press Ctrl+V on your keyboard. The Z order of a chart object represents the order in which it is painted on a chart. A lower Z order indicates that a chart object will be drawn over top of objects with a higher value. For example, if a line drawing object with a Z-order of 2 intersected a data series with a Z-order of 5, the line would be painted over top of the bars of the data series, since its Z-order value is lower. If the line had a Z-order of 6 instead, then it would be drawn beneath the bars. To change the Z-order of any object on a chart, first left-click the object to select it, then hold the Shift key on your keyboard while scrolling your mouse wheel up or down. Thank you for viewing the overview of chart panels and objects.